Today, it's time to firm up our arms so we have nice, toned, sexy arms. Let's begin by using some light weights and stand up nice and tall and begin firming our arms and shoulders just like this. Bend your knees slightly, protecting the back, and really work your arms and shoulders. Keep your back strong and straight. Keep your tummy in, and let's get started. Good way to warm up through the shoulders, your arms. Try to lift those arms. That's it. Do the best that you can. We're going to get nice, shaped arms. Firm up every angle of the arms. The back of the arms, the shoulders. No more bra overhang. Get nice and toned, sexy arms. Let's go. 2 more. Feel it. That's it. Last one. And release. Now it's time to do a little bicep curls. So, plie out, all the way out. Reach your arms all the way out and do little curls. That's it. Notice my angle of the arms reaching out. Really extend to really get sexy, firm arms. That's it. The bicep curl. Really feel it. Pump up those biceps. Yes. Get nice and strong and toned. Lean. Cut arms. That's it. Look great in a sleeveless blouse. You'll feel so confident. Great. We got 2 more. Last one. Little pulses, little pulses. Come on, pump it up. Let me see those biceps work. Yes. Stomach is in, back is strong and straight. Working those legs too. Wonderful. And release. Beautiful. And just relax using your thigh muscles. Great. And now I want you to bring your arms in right here. This is a little different. Now hold it, stretch it out, and it's a hammer curl. Working a little more the upper part of the biceps. That's it. Your stomach is in, your back is strong, you're thinking good posture, and we're really working those arms. Yes, we are. Extend the arms all the way. Really feel the extension. That really helps to get those beautiful toned arms firm. Last one. Great. Okay. Now we turn to the side and we're going to work the back of the arm. So lean slightly forward and bend and extend. This is now working the triceps, the back of our arms. One of the most important areas to tone so you get a beautiful shape to the arm. Also, did you know that the triceps are one of the most underused muscles of the body? So, in order to firm them up, we've got to do something about it. So here's one of the best exercises to get the back of those arms. I love this one. Reach way back there. Think good posture. Notice my back is straight. Something you all need to think about always is good posture. Your shoulders are down and back, and your abs are pulled up and in. And we're going to hold it now. Hold it up. Now, pulse upward and little pulse. Just lift. Little lift. Come on, you could do it. Tone those arms. Your triceps see shape very quickly. Isn't that great? 2 more. Last one. Hold it up there. Beautiful. Good work. Let's go to the other side. Thinking about good posture and slowly fold forward. Back is strong and straight. Elbow is up and extend it and release. Extend and release, keeping your back strong, keeping your abdominal muscles in. We're now target toning the back of those arms, the area we all need extra help. And here we got it right now. Come on, do it. It's worth it. Get beautiful looking arms. Feel confident. That's it. Feel strong and sexy and toned. Couple more just like that. You got it. Last one. Now we hold it up. Baby pulses up. But notice, put your shoulder blades together and lift and lift. Back is straight. Come on. Couple more. You got it. It's worth it, I promise. Last one. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Great. Okay, let's begin sexy shoulders. Bend your elbows up, little bends and down. Little bend up and down. Stomach is in. That's it. Up. Beautiful. And down. You got it. Great. Now we're going to shift our arms back and we're going to do a whole full circle all the way around, touching the back almost. Feel as though you are, and pull it in. Let's do that again. Out in an arc, pull down. It's great for your upper back. No more bra overhang. That's beautiful. Now pull down, shoulder blades down, and arc back up. Again, out, pull down, and pull back up. But notice my back is straight. Don't let your rib cage pooch out. Pull it in. Yes, there you go. That's the different tweak to make it work. Now we stay right here. Now pull. Just pull it in. Pull it in. Yes, that's it. Work the back. That's great. Good. Sexy upper back. Yes. You can wear those beautiful backless dresses. Feel confident back there, and also it improves your posture. Very important for all of us. That's it. Keeps us young. Great. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. And there you have a total arm exercise workout.